All right, this is for Isella. Isella here is a vending machine in Japanese. The little red label here means hot. That's 120 yen. That's probably about 12. What is that in pesos? Oh my gosh, my brain.
49 pesos.
Sam, don't make crap up. That's ridiculous. Okay, and then so the blue ones mean cold. All right, so we're gonna get something. All right, here, Sam. You gotta automatically cook it or manually.
Right, let's see. This is where's my? Oh, it's on.
So here.
Wow, these gloves are way too big. There we go.
Here are my yen.
Wait, I don't know how your focus works. There we go.
Here are my yen. Soup.
Wait.
What do I want? Milk tea. Haha. Nice and warm.
Maybe you should demonstrate. Put it in the snow.
Okay.
So we know. So wait.
Can you see the steam? Ben's like,
This is Photoshop, freaking game.
here. It's hot.
Touch the camera, then they'll know.
Yeah. Here, we'll let it.
That's ouch! Ouch! It's so hot.
It won't fog up the lens either. Dang it. I don't know how to show you this is hot. It's hot. I promise. This is for real.